Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about iron, a very important species in chemistry. Ions take part in chemical combination forming a type of compounds called ionic compounds or electrovalent compounds. Iron may be defined as, we may define iron as an atom or group of atoms having electric charge is called ion. I mean to say that an atom or group of atoms which bears electric charge, that is positive charge or negative charge, is called ion. Here are some examples for you: sodium ion, chloride ion, oxide ion, calcium ion, ammonium ion, sulfide ion, carbonate ion, sulfate ion, nitrate ion, and there are a number of ions. Region of formation of ions. Ions are formed due to transfer of one or more electrons from one atom to other atom. When transfer of electron, subatomic particle electron takes place from one atom to other atom, that is when an atom loses electron one or more and other atom accepts that loosed electron or electrons, then they are converted into their ions. Now I am going to explain the process of formation of ion. We know that an atom is electrically neutral. It means atom contains equal number of electrons and protons, and we know that electron is negatively charged and proton is positively charged subatomic particles. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in an atom, and the electrons in the outermost cell of an atom are called valence electrons. There are some elements which do not take part in chemical reaction. It means they are not reactive. They do not react with other. Here helium, neon, argon, xenon, radon, krypton, etc. When the electronic arrangement of these noble elements are studied, it is found that helium has 2 electrons in its outermost shell, which is the first shell. Neon has argon and other has 8 electrons and valence electrons, and they are stable. So it is clear from this electronic arrangement that an atom having these outermost structure, that is duplet or octet, having 1 electron in the outermost shell, when the outermost shell is the first shell, and 8 electrons in the outermost shell when second, third, fourth orbit is the outermost orbit. We know that elements have tendency to acquire electronic structure of noble gases. So, in order to acquire a stable electronic structure atoms lose electrons, atoms gain electrons, and atoms share electrons. For example, sodium is very reactive element metal having atomic electronic arrangement 281. Its atomic number is 11. Sodium has tendency to acquire stable electronic structure, and in order to do this, it loses one electron. This electron and is converted into Na plus. Why? After losing one electron, sodium atom has 10 plus positive protons and 11 positive protons and 10 negative electrons. 10 negative electrons cancel the 10 positive protons effect of positive protons, and resultant charge is developed plus 1. One positive charge is developed on the sodium atom, and now it is called sodium ion. On the other hand, chlorine, a non-metal, very reactive non-metal having atomic number 17, its electronic arrangement is 287. Here we see that chlorine requires one electron to acquire the stable electronic arrangement of argon, noble gas argon. It is not possible for chlorine atom due to energy consideration that it loses 7 outermost electrons to acquire the arrangement of neon. So it gains 1 electron lost by the sodium, and effectively -1 charge is developed on the sodium atom and is converted into chloride ion, a negative ion. Why so? After gaining 1 electron, now chlorine atom has 18 negative electrons and 17 positive protons. So 17 positive effect of 17 positive protons is cancelled by 17 electrons, and resultant 1 negative charge is developed on it and is converted into chloride ion. The ion formed by losing electrons band and atom are called positive ions. When an atom loses electrons, its valence electron or one or more electrons, it is converted into positive ions. And when an atom gains electrons, then it is converted into negative ion. So we can see here that when an atom loses its valence electron 1 or more, it is converted into positive ion, that is anion, and negative ion after gaining electrons, gaining 1 or more electrons. Here chlorine is converted into chloride ion, negative ion after gaining 1 electron, and sodium is converted into sodium ion, positive ion after losing 1 of its valence electrons. Now something more about ions. Atoms are converted into ions. Atoms are converted into ions. Atoms have unstable electronic arrangement, but its ion has a stable electronic arrangement. Here in the case of sodium atom 281 unstable structure arrangement, and sodium sodium ion has a stable electronic structure of neon. So atoms are more reactive than ions, and ions are stable. But ions take part in chemical combination, as we know that the compounds formed by ions are electrovalent compounds or ionic compounds. This is due to the reason that when two oppositely charged ions are kept together, or when oppositely charged ions come close, a force of attraction, electrostatic force of attraction is arise between the dissimilar charges, and they form a molecule, electrically neutral molecule. Combining the ability of ions is due to development of electrostatic force of attraction between the opposite charges. So here we find that atoms are more reactive than ions. One thing more, there is no change in the atomic number of ions. Atomic number of sodium atom equal to atomic number of sodium ion, because we know that number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called atomic number, and here we find that during formation of ions there is no change in the number of protons, so atomic number remains same when an atom is converted into ion. Other thing, atomic mass. We know that mass of electron is negligible, relative mass of electron is negligible, and atomic mass is the sum of masses of protons and neutrons present in an atom. So there is no change in the atomic mass of an element when its ion is converted, when its atom is converted into its ion. Thank you. In next video I will explain another important term, valency. Okay, thank you.